subscribe, hit the notification bell so you go to get notified each time we say I upload new videos. You get wetin dey happen when we say I wan quickly talk about. According to our Igbo Biafran, they say Iwe na we. I'm very, very angry. And they see say the DSS, the Zoo DSS, they deny say not be them kill, not be them they responsible for the murder of our late sister Dora Akuli, late Dora Akuli husband. Now they ask if una they responsible for her, who can they responsible for her? Because a lot of campaign they go on for Anambra State today. So if una they responsible for her, who can they responsible for the killing of Dora, late Dora husband? When today now him too does it day late. Who is not responsible for it? Are you going to tag IPOB, or you are going to hold IPOB responsible for it? Up until now, we don't tell una say the killings then when we say they go on for Biafra land, for the eastern region, SAT in general. We dey tell una say we know say una they responsible for them. But it get when they push people reach, if you push them reach some certain stage, when we say they go turn their back to come fight you back. Now that stage, now every one of us don't do today so. And they see say all of them they complain, say na so no government, no be or no government. This man, Dora Akolo, so husband wanna kiss, so this doctor so wanna kiss so now. Every community and some agencies, even some security agency in Nigeria, they point hand to the DSS, say now they responsible for this killing when they for that place. Una they do now, una don't come up for killing innocent youth. Una don't they kill innocent youth, they kill innocent youth. Una don't come up for that place now. Una won't include the prominent Biafran people, or the people maybe say that they speak the truth for inside the politics, or the people maybe say that they recognize, or in other way to cause us pain. In order they go they kill people when they say they not get anything to do, in order to tag IPOB for it. Let me tell you one thing, when I be saying all of them go need to understand. Say we IPOB, we have not started. We never kill any prominent person in Biafra now, and we never intend to kill any of them. Especially when we know that they have not be there because the problem when we did. Because this man is a doctor, he's not holding any public office. So if they try to change the narrative by saying that it's IPOB now get hand to get what to do with the death of this man, now be say una dey in for a very big one, because a time will come when be say people when all of them they gather, they plan, they do this thing. What did they happen to the people when or no government they go they visit today? Now you go see happen to una. Una don't they cry now say oh no government, or no government, or no government, or no government. But now don't forget what they generate this or no government come aside. Now don't forget what they make the youth verse come aside when we say they can't terrorize the way that they terrorize today now. Now don't forget how they take command from NSAS protest where the governors of the eastern region, where they all come aside, tell them say make they shoot their side with the Nigerian with the Zoo army, where they shoot their side. Now don't forget Onitsha Air Bridge killing. Now don't forget Ukpo. Now don't forget the Borough Pit killing. Now don't forget all the massacre the way they don't massacre our people. Una don't forget how una take cause us pain. Now the youth have taken it upon themselves saying eye for an eye, nose for nose. Una want to call the talk say what did they happen for Biafra land, or what did they happen for Igbo land? It has never happened before. It has never happened before. All this killing that have been going on in that place, as it don't happen before. All this killing when they keep for Biafra land is then when any of them keep quiet, when the governor they keep quiet. Tell me which youth, apart from the ones when Fulani herdsmen they kill, apart from the one when Boko Haram they kill, tell me which youth Nigerian army and Nigerian soldiers don't kill the way they don't kill youth for Biafra land. Southeast to be precise, mostly in Southeast. Tell me one where they don't massacre youths to the extent the way they don't massacre rich for that place. The bandit the way they roam about for the north, so no, they don't be youths. Who they go after them? What do they agitate for? Are they peaceful protesters? Are they peaceful agitators? Okay, we not get maths to fight back, or we not get power to fight back, because now get Zoom and now goal everything. Bubiagu when they slaughter people for a boy today, so in the name of say that they want put an end to IPOB. Who they, as in, who they hold the responsible? Who they hold the responsible? Are they not being sponsored by the governors? Are they not being sponsored by the governor? Who is holding them responsible for what they do? See, make I tell you one thing. The worst is yet to come. The worst is yet to come. It no matter how many as una cry rich. It no matter as una want talk rich. The anger that you have put, the level that you have pushed the youth to, more youth are still going to wake up to continue to chase una. Una will be the chaser. Una will be the chase that last as the whole matter they go like this. Una will be the chase last as we talk now. Our people, our IPOB member is being adopted in Ebonyi State. They kidnap them. They count numbers of IPOB members when they die on daily basis for Ebonyi State. The news not they carry on. News not they carry on because it's not on no government that burned down the police station. News not they carry on because it's not effective for the governor. Because now what the governor wants, now that they do so, Ebubeagu so when they set up. So are they not Igbo people? Are they not Biafrans? Who don't do more terrible, more wicked acts past the one where the Southeast, especially the Southeast governor don't do? Tell me one particular people, a group of people who don't come together to come kill their people the way the Southeast governor, their politician. Or Biazo come at the last time. Say not be celebration with the fine. Say now whatever you call them. Or Biazo Oanese Edigbo. Southeast governor, politician, apart from Senator Inyena Baribe, apart from Senator Inyena Baribe, every other people in that place, they have teamed up with their enemy to kill their people, to slaughter their people, to cause them mayhem, to destroy them. Una know they see now they no government and they raise up and down. They have come outside to tell the so-called president to come outside to declare bandits terrorists. And never fit declare bandit terrorists. But una quickly run come on and declare POB terrorists. Una gather together and declare POB terrorists. People who know how to destroy their own, we know how to destroy their own, to please outside, to please their slave master. Now the people have taken it upon themselves to fight back, they take it upon themselves to revenge, they take it upon themselves to defend themselves. Another place they cry. What is happening in Igbo land today is that has not happened before. What do you expect? Should they fold their hands in between their legs? I've been watching you people continue to they do whatever they do to they kill them. May they fold their hands in between their legs. I've been watching you killing them on a daily basis. The worst is there yet to come. Make una wait. They say they know the test small pikin may not carry long teeth come outside. He says if I make it see lips we go take cover am. Una no go do what una do to us in this manner, in this brutality. When I don't do to us, una go expect us to keep quiet or they watch una. It's not done anywhere. The worst is yet to come. Make una get ready. Make una get ready because it's about to go down. It's about to go down. Devil mind, may you wait. So I don't tell you before. I say your head now they'll use and drink water. They'll cut your head for 3 Joshua. May you wait. Continue to use the bubeagu when you pay. Who even know whether na Igbo people there for the bubeagu self? Who know whether na they for the bubeagu? There's every possibility say na hire the bubeagu for another tribe, not carry call for that place. It can even be Fulani. It can even be anybody for that place. It can even be the Zoo DSS. Who knows? Who knows? What you know say they go do to you, you are not going to be pleased with it. Don't do it to others. Every life matters. The one that don't massacre our youth, the Southeast youth, the Biafran youth, the one that don't matter now, all the governors. It not go better for now. It not go better for now in the morning. It not go better for now in the afternoon. The pain and agony one that don't cause for us, it not go better for now. Now go see.